Good morning to all. Today I'm back with another beautiful thought of the day, and I'm showing how to present a thought of the day in the school assembly. So here we go. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I'm here to present a thought of the day. Today's thought is: a simple way to remove fear is to seek knowledge and understanding. I repeat my thought. A simple way to remove fear is to seek knowledge and understanding. This thought means if we have a good knowledge and understanding of anything, we'll never have a fear on it. Thank you. I hope you liked my thought of the day. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching this video. Bye. Have a good day.